Having discussed audio interfaces, let's now turn our attention to another crucial tool in digital musical production, the Digital Audio Workstation or DAW. A DAW is software that allows you to record, edit, mix and produce music right on your computer. Think of it as your digital canvas where you paint with sounds. There are a wide variety of DAWs available, each with unique features and workflow. Some of the industry favourites include Ableton Live, known for its loop-based composition, Fruity Loop Studio, popular among electronic music producers, Pro Tools, a staple in professional studios, and Logic Pro, exclusive to Mac users and loved for its intuitive design. If you look at the download section, you will see a document called DAWs. I've compiled a list of some of the most popular DAWs available right now. Most have demo or trial periods available, and there is even a free option in there. Selecting the right DAW can feel overwhelming, but it's all about finding one that aligns with your needs and workflow. Are you looking for something user-friendly for beginners, or perhaps a DAW that offers advanced mixing and mastering tools? Your genre of music, budget and personal preferences will all play a role in your decision. Fruity Loops is a very popular entry point for those creating electronic-based music, especially in the urban arena, but if you want to record real instruments, it's not so useful. Why not do some background reading, download a few and give them a trial run to see what feels most comfortable. Personally, I use Adobe Audition and PreSonus Studio One. The workflow in Adobe is great, but it has severe limitations with regard to MIDI functionality, especially for virtual instruments. Here's a quick look at a DAW interface. As you can see, we have tracks on the side, a timeline for arranging music, and various tools and effects to shape our sound. In fact, they often try to mimic a real-world mixing desk and studio equipment. Have a look at mine and then we can move on to the next section about setting one up for use.